Okay, address natin 'to. Hindi daw niya magawa, no, ng dire-diretso ang LCIF dahil lagi siyang stress. So, there is nothing wrong with stress per se, no? I mean, I am stressed from time to time. Everyone is stressed from time to time, and it's not about avoiding stress, no, completely, because there are kinds of stress na hindi mo maiiwasan, like stress sa buwisit mong asawa from time to time, nakakainis na makukulit na mga bata, for example, anak mo, etc., no? So may mga stress na hindi natin maiwasan. So it's about properly managing yung stress, no? So if you're a stress eater, no, wala namang problema if you eat, no? As long as you're eating the right food, which is meat, egg, seafood, no? So kung nai-stress ka, gusto mong kumain, edi kumain ka. As long as you're eating meat, egg, seafood, you're good to go. Of course, better if we do not eat frequently. But if stress ka na nga at gusto mong kumain, edi kumain ka. Kumain ka. Lumamon ka. So long as it's meat, egg, seafood. Okay?